I think my dad was trying to get several going, pero hindi successful. Yun pala yung successful, parang ano namin, water the pellet namin.
Lahat po kami mga teacher, maliban kay Kuya Earth.
Teacher ng anong grade?
Ako po high school po.
Anong subject niya?
English po. As a teacher session.
Kala ko typing? Ano ko?
Yeah, voice lesson. Hard voice. Coach.
Ay, hindi ko pa ganyan na po tayo last yung second floor years. Yung tayo sa amin. Latest of shit ako. We can go to the other. Salve. Bukas na? Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Saturday yan din po ako kay Karen.
Kumusta po?
Karen, kung yung buhay. Kaya ako talaga yung